Tovar's mopping system. Tovar. Link down below. Let me show you the amazing integrity and professionalism and kindness that this man just showed me. I've seen this mopping system all over TikTok, his spin mop. I've been watching it. I've been stalking him. I love his videos. I love that they're a small business, that they're a family-owned business. I love that he created this mopping system. And I said, you know what? I use a lot of flat mops. Let me try my hand at a mopping bucket. This type of system, not like the kind that you wring out. I wanted his system. I could have gotten cheaper with the Cedar mop. I could have gotten a lot of other cheaper brands that are sold on TikTok. But I said, no, I'm going to spend a little bit more money because it supports a small business. Family-run business. He has his kids on TikTok. He has his wife. I said, you know what? I can afford it. I'm a small business owner. I know the struggle. I'm going to buy from him. I try to buy products from other small businesses as much as I possibly can afford to. I will. So I bought it. I'm really loving this spin mop. It has this little scrub attachment. It's great for cleaning showers. I'm really, really enjoying it. Link down below, okay? I bought it, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago, something like that. Got it, assembled it, everything great. Using it, loving it, messaged him like, yay, thanks. A couple days after I got it, I got another package. Huge big box, just like the one I bought from Tovar. And I'm like, that's odd. I opened it up. It's another mopping system. The same exact one I just bought. The blue one, same exact one. I'm like, did I get charged twice? I checked my credit card. No, I only bought one. Like, that's weird. I messaged him on TikTok. I go, hey, I don't know what happened, but you sent me another one. I only bought one. He wrote back on, I'm so sorry. There was some type of TikTok glitch. They doubled orders. I guess what happened on their end or on TikTok end is when somebody bought one, TikTok showed them that they bought two. So he printed out 2 invoices and he mailed out. And I hear his story and I'm like, oh, that's awful. Let me mail it back to you because I don't need 2 mopping systems. I work on my own. He's like, well, see if somebody that you know may want to buy it. I'll even lower the price a little bit. I'm like, all right, let me ask around. I asked around. Nobody was interested in buying it. I don't even want the guy to sell it for less. And I feel bad for the guy. I don't want him to lose like $20 or whatever it was that he lowered it for. So I messaged him back. I go, is there a way, like, do you have a shipping label? Can I just return it back to you? You know, I don't want you to lose out on the sale. He's like, yeah, I'll send you a printing label. So I've been checking my email. I still haven't gotten the printing label sent to me yet. And I don't want to push him too much because I know he's busy, but I feel bad. I'm like, I don't want to keep holding on to your mop. You could be making a sale with somebody else. He just wrote back saying, you know what, just keep it as a spare. I'm like, really? I said, listen, I'm going to be working on a ton of videos to push this out for you. The integrity in this man, the professionalism, the kindness of his heart. I'm just waiting to figure out how to mail it back for him. Like, is it UPS? Is it FedEx? Is it USPS? It's a big box. Like, what's your address? Like, I want to help the guy. He's losing out on money. And he's just like, just keep it. You need to buy from this man. The link is down below. I will post screenshots of our conversation if you don't believe me. I just can't believe how kind that was of him. He did not have to do that. That's integrity. I don't know how many other companies would do that. Integrity. That is what the world needs more in people. That is what we need more in businesses. He did this in private messages. This is only being known now because I'm going to post it. And I'm going to ask him beforehand if it's okay if I talk about this. But this was a private TikTok conversation. There was no negativity between our conversation. There was no reason for him to even just say, here, just keep it for free. Buy from him. Everybody just use my link. Buy. I'm going to make as many videos and push his product out as much as possible because not only is it a great mopping system, it comes from the heart. It comes from a small business, family-owned business. It's making me choke up. My father was a small business owner for, 15 years. He owned a gas station in Elizabeth, New Jersey, small business owner. Never went on vacation. He would go on, like, I don't know, he'd visit his family in Portugal maybe once every 5 or 10 years. Me and my mom would go every year, but he would barely ever go. Because if you don't work, you don't get paid. You know, you don't have paid vacation time. So I know the struggle. I know the struggle. And my parents are immigrants. They're from Portugal. I'm a child of immigrants. They didn't know the language when they came here. They have an accent. They learned English by watching TV. Now I'm a small business owner. So I know the struggle. I know the struggle firsthand. And the fact that this man just told me to just keep it. Buy from him. Integrity. Integrity.